Hey everyone, if your mic suddenly stopped working in OBS, don't worry. Yeah, this is actually a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll walk you through several quick fixes to get your microphone working again in OBS Studio. So let's jump right in. First, check that your microphone isn't muted inside OBS. I mean, it sounds obvious, but it happens a lot. Look at the audio mixer and make sure the mic channel isn't muted and the volume slider is turned up. Next, make sure OBS is actually using the correct microphone. Sometimes OBS selects the wrong device automatically, Go to Settings, then Audio, and check your mic or auxiliary device dropdown. If it still isn't working, check your system sound settings. Your microphone might be disabled at the system level. Open your sound settings and confirm the mic is enabled and set as the default input device. Another thing that trips people up is microphone permissions. So make sure apps are allowed to use your mic. In Windows privacy settings, verify that microphone access is turned on for desktop apps. Okay, quick technical fix. If your sample rates don't match, OBS might not capture audio properly. Go to OBS audio settings and make sure the sample rate matches your system sound settings. Usually 48 kilohertz works best. If nothing worked so far, just restart OBS or even your computer. I know, simple. But honestly, it fixes a surprising number of audio glitches, and that's it. One of these fixes should get your OBS microphone working again. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.